Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class we are going to define about identifiers. Okay, an identifier is a what? Is also a C token, just like keywords. What is a keyword? I said a keyword is a reserved word that has specific meaning in what? In C programming. So keywords are reserved words. Okay, they are already defined in C programming. The meaning of those words is already there in what? In C programming. There are 32 keywords in what? In C programming. These keywords are written in what? They are written in small letters. The meaning of keywords cannot be changed by what? Cannot be changed by user. You cannot change the meaning of what? The meaning of keywords. Here I have what we call identifiers. Identifiers are also C tokens. Okay, wow. These are user-defined objects. So identifiers are user-defined objects. They are defined by the user. For example, we have what we call variables, constants. We also have what we call functions, etc. Okay, these are what we call identifiers. There is a set of rules. There is a set of rules which is followed when naming an identifier or identifiers, right? You want to name the identifiers, you are supposed to follow a set of rules. Okay, the name can be a combination of what? Of letters, that is A to Z or A to Z, and what? And digits. Okay, for example, you can say name 2. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, you can name identifiers using the combination of letters. Okay, the letters can be small letters. You can also use capital letters and digits. If you check, this is NAME2. This is name2. This is a combination of, these are letters, small letters, right? And this is a digit. This is a combination of letters and what? And digits. You can name an identifier like this. You can also write something like this, NA25. This is NA25. This is also correct. It's a combination of what? Of letters and numbers. Is this clear? Number 2. The other rule is this one. No white space. No white space. Let's say you are naming an identifier. Okay, wow. You are not allowed to leave white space between the what? Between the identifier. For example, let's say it's name like this. Name, then you leave space, you write 2 here. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. The correct syntax, you are not supposed to leave white space. Okay, wow. If it's quantity, you just write quantity 1. Okay, you're supposed to write like this. Don't leave white space in between the identifier. Okay. You can make use of what we call underscore. We have what we call underscores. You can place this at the beginning. Okay. You can also place this in the middle. Okay. You can place this at the end of the name of the what? Of the identifier. I'm sure you all know what is an underscore. This symbol on your keyboard. The long what? This horizontal line. This is what we call an underscore. For example, you can write name underscore 2 underscore name 2. You can also write name 2 underscore. Okay. Then the other thing, the name of an identifier cannot start with a digit. The name of an identifier cannot start with a digit. Okay, the name of an identifier cannot start with a digit. This is not allowed to name. This is very wrong. Okay. What is the correct thing? You always start with the letters or what? The underscore. Okay, well. Then the other thing that you are supposed to know is this. Capital letter A Okay, sorry. Capital letter A is different from small letter A. This is very important. Okay, capital letter A is different from small letter A. This feature is nothing but case sensitive. I'm sure you all remember I said the C programming is case sensitive. So this is all about identifiers. I will see you in the next class. Enjoy your day. Thank you.